Simba TV.
What is astronomy? Astronomy is like being a space detective. It's all about studying the stars, planets, and everything in space. Astronomers, the space detectives, look up at the sky and try to figure out what's out there and how it all works. Key parts of astronomy. Stars and planets. Astronomers study stars, which are giant balls of burning gas, and planets, which are big round objects that go around stars. Our planet Earth goes around the Sun, which is a star. Galaxies. These are huge collections of stars, dust, and gas. Our star, the Sun, is part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. The Moon. This is the big, bright object we see in the night sky. It goes around the Earth. Telescopes. These are special tools that help astronomers see faraway objects in space. They make things that are very far away look much closer. Space missions. Sometimes, we send rockets and robots to space to learn more. For example, robots called rovers are exploring Mars right now.